Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a practical guide for all property owners out there. Spring into action. April's home maintenance checklist. With the arrival of spring, it's the perfect time to give your property the care it deserves. I'm here to walk you through a step-by-step checklist that will not only preserve the value of your property but also prevent costly repairs down the line. So, let's spring into action and get started. First on our list is inspecting your roof. After a long winter, it's crucial to check for any damages like loose shingles or leaks. A well-maintained roof is essential for avoiding water damage, which can lead to more severe issues like mold or structural damage. If you spot any problems, it's better to address them now before they escalate. Next, clean out your gutters. It's easy to overlook this task, but clogged gutters can lead to water backup and damage your roofing and siding. Make sure to remove any debris to ensure proper water flow away from your foundation. This simple step can save you from headaches during the spring rains. Moving on, check your HVAC system. You want your air conditioning to be in top shape before the heat hits. Replace the filters, check hose connections for leaks, and consider a professional inspection. Regular maintenance not only extends the life of your HVAC system but also keeps your energy bills in check. Now, let's talk windows and doors. Inspect the seals and weather stripping. With the changing temperatures, cracks and gaps can develop, allowing air to escape. This not only makes your home less comfortable but also more expensive to cool or heat. Sealing up those leaks is an easy win for both comfort and cost savings. Switching gears a bit, let's discuss landscaping. April is a great month to start prepping your garden and yard. Clear out any leftover winter debris and lay down mulch to keep weeds at bay and retain moisture during the upcoming warmer months. Pruning your trees and shrubs not only tidies up your yard but also promotes healthy growth. Speaking of outdoors, check your deck and patio. Look for any signs of wear or damage. Loose boards or unstable railings need attention to ensure safety during use. Plus, a good power wash can revive the appearance of your woodwork, making your outdoor spaces more inviting for summer gatherings. Now, for those of you thinking about selling your homes, Alpine Property Management Kansas City offers a "We Buy Houses" service. If you're in Kansas City and planning to sell quickly, without the hassle of going through the market, we're here to help. We buy properties in all conditions, offering fair prices and fast closings. It's a straightforward process designed to make your life easier. First on the interior list is checking your basement and foundation. With the spring thaw, it's crucial to monitor for any water seepage or signs of dampness in your basement. This can be an indicator of foundation issues or inadequate drainage around your home. Look for cracks in the foundation walls and floors, and address them promptly. Waterproofing your basement can prevent a host of problems related to moisture, including mold and structural damage, which can be costly to repair. Next, let's consider the plumbing. Spring is a good time to check for leaks in faucets, toilets, and under sinks. Leaks not only waste water but can also lead to significant water damage over time. This is also the perfect moment to flush out your water heater to remove sediment that builds up, which can impact the efficiency and longevity of the appliance. Simple preventive measures like these can extend the life of your plumbing systems and help avoid emergencies. On to the electrical systems. Inspect cords, outlets, and electrical panels for any signs of wear or damage. This is especially important as we head into the warmer months when air conditioners and fans put additional loads on your home's electrical system. Ensuring that everything is in safe working order can prevent fires and other electrical issues. Don't forget about your interior air quality. Replace or clean the filters in your air purifiers, vents, and dryer. Check your attic and other less frequented areas for any signs of pests or mold, which can flourish in the warmer weather. Taking steps to ensure good air quality not only makes your home more comfortable but also healthier. Finally, update your home's safety equipment. Check the expiration dates on fire extinguishers and make sure that escape routes and fire doors are clear and functional. Spring cleaning is a great time to review your home's overall safety plan and make adjustments as needed. Maintaining a property, whether you live in it or rent it out, can be a lot of work. But the payoff is significant. Regular maintenance not only preserves the value of your property but also ensures that it remains a safe and pleasant place to live. For those who might find this overwhelming, Alpine Property Management Kansas City offers comprehensive services to handle all aspects of property management. From routine maintenance to emergency repairs and tenant management, We ensure that every detail is looked after with the utmost professionalism. If you're a property owner looking to simplify your life and maximize your investment, consider partnering with Alpine Property Management. We have the expertise, experience, and dedication to care for your property as if it were our own. Thank you for watching this detailed walkthrough of your April home maintenance checklist. We hope these tips will help you keep your property in excellent condition. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and insights. Remember, with Alpine Property Management, you're not just maintaining your property, you're enhancing its value and ensuring its longevity. Let's take on spring with confidence and preparedness.